Over the course of the next two videos, I want to talk about how do you go from a big pile of wires like this to a more refined prototype, something like a circuit board. And there's two different strategies. There is the low-run circuit board and PCB design for prototyping or maybe even getting a small, very specialized product out there. And then there's large-scale manufacturing, which is a whole nother set of problems and learning curve. So let's take a look at some of these more maker-friendly programs out there. The first one I want to take a look at is Autodesk Circuits. And this allows you to create schematics fairly simply. You can see an example right here. Using a graphical interface, it has breadboards, you can connect wires, and you can simulate circuits. It's quite powerful. The next one I want to look at is Fritzing. Now, Fritzing you download and run from your own computer. I happen to have it running on mine right now. And Fritzing is another great graphical interface for creating your schematics. And I can create a new sketch in Fritzing and show you how it works. So here's my breadboard. I could have a potentiometer here. I can add resistors to the breadboard and they snap to the holes within the breadboard. And then you have to run wires and connect all of them. Fairly simple. Another nice thing is you can drop things like Arduino components in. So here's my Arduino Uno. And you basically drag and drop your components onto the board. You drag and drop your wires. You can make all those connections. And then you actually can even look at a schematic and it'll start creating PCBs for you. And you can order a PCB on there. This is great for creating a more robust prototype. You know, breadboards with wires are not always going to hold up well. And if you could create your own very simple shield to plug into an Arduino or even just a PCB where you can solder your components onto it, now you have something that's much more robust for when you're bringing it out to customers or end users to do some feedback and verify your hunches and intuitions.